Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and in this video I want to talk about the times ahead. Every day you have a choice of saying yes to something and no to something. For example, right from the moment you want to get up, you say yes to coming out of the bed quickly. You say no, I want to sleep more. Take a yes, get out quick. In the morning, you have a confusion. What do you want to do? You have decided what you want to do? Yes. You have not decided? No. For that, you prepare a night before and write down, in this day, this is how and what I will prepare. Third thing, do I start studying right away or do I talk to somebody? If that somebody is in your path, is your parent, is your brother, sister, or good friend who has a positive thing to speak to you, answer is yes. And if you think that this is not going to be positive right in the morning, answer is no. You will have calls coming by, you will have offers to visits to the parties. Suggestion is keep a time off every week, maybe half a day, maybe once in 2 weeks, half a day, depending upon what is your temperament. But rest of the things say no to. So learn to say yes to positive people, plan day, study, yes to wasting no time and focusing on the right things. Say no to delaying things, talking to a lot of people, partying a lot, wasting time, looking at the social media, and also remember, say no to study too much. Say no to studying new topics. This is the time you must say yes to focus on the repeats and the common things. Looking at the INICT paper that came this time, again it was proven. जो आया है वही आएगा जब हमको ये समझ आएगा तभी हमारा नंबर आएगा. Thank you very much.